Hey. Yeah, I don't like how she grow this bulge right here, so I don't know how am I go fix that. I guess because she face the way they face the sun it grow faster, but let me see if I can get her back nice and round. Yo, Pun. Pun, pool? Has to be the reason why. Pool? That's exactly the reason why. Yeah, you're there on campus? Where you say? Yeah, man. Would I make a step? No. Vibes. So may I walk come? This nigga make me walk come all the way a Rex. And him didn't even reach outside yet. I don't understand this man. I far him walk come, you know. Watch him up, so. I'm gonna come. Where you pan come? Whee! You pan forward. Eh? Hear the man. Clean so you towel and them thing there.
Well, I saw me at the beat, but I don't
supposed to go down there and lock. They look like them house sitting over there.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, Mississippi now.
Yeah, it now. If we see if that girl are going, if that girl are going, we're good. Alright, she gone in. But I will tell you say yo, remember ID you know, cause I know you're a madman, you left it you know. You know normally look so clean, brother.
You just look like a professional.
Now I wonder if I carry it now or
oh, waterproof?
yeah, yeah. Up to 33 feet them say. But you know black people skeptical.
yeah. Right.
But I try it still. I know that girl from somewhere in the dog. I know that girl from somewhere.
But they have people in the army and so on, so they want to make fun about it. But they don't like them to make fun about soldiers, they want to make fun about the war in general, isn't it? Yeah, I'm funny. Everything you just have to do one and it's like dead. So the recruiters looking for the Jamaicans, we can't find them. Let's see what I say. Brick. Brick farm.
Brick farm, brick. See, as in, I have no Wi-Fi, I'm down at the pool. So that's... Actually got quite a bit done today. The saddest thing is I start working tomorrow
I forgot I'm a bit early so that I can wake up. But yeah, work basically starts tomorrow. So it's Monday morning and I'm gonna start right because it's the first day of work. I'm late. I stay up last night. I watch live. I stay up last night. I listen to music till about after 4. I know I have work 8:30, but I need to get it together because this is not how I intended to start my year, and this is definitely not how my year is going to go. So yeah, I'm gonna just get lunch and oh, watch out. Tent. That's crazy. Accident to kill me. I go under there. Sicky so me can walk through. Yo, it's 10 big stills, you know. As in, I work and I'm stressed out. And work just start. I legit the first day. When we get the lunch break, I'm glad. That's crazy. And then schools will start to make it worse. Oh gosh, man. You know. So I just get some lunch. There's just this random soursop tree with 2 little soursop.
So you see that little 2-week thing, yeah? We have before school start.
That's true. We set up the pot settings, I make sandwich and all these things.
Don't know anything already, you know. Serious thing. Grimy.
Grimy. I guess it's not. Away I go. Just take out the 2. So, it's Wednesday. And I haven't really been vlogging that much. Like even yesterday, I didn't really vlog that much. But today is Wednesday. It's my day off. And I got to Portmore. I have some documents I need to deal with. Yeah, chief. Yeah, so I'm reached Portmore. Only hope the JP woman there home so she can just deal with the documents and we can just drop them off and reach back at my yard quick. I'm not planning to spend the whole of my day off on the road. You mad? So after coming all this way, I was glad to see that the JP's place was actually open, but the sad thing is the document cannot be signed. There's something that I would have to do first. So I have to try to see if I can get that done between today and tomorrow and come back.
David, the TV, you turn on watch TV or just? Huh? You know that TV? Oh. You don't that TV for you? Eh? Yeah. To work on the road.
Watch it. Specs!
Boom! 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 Boom!
Yo, come on, with that.
Be one thought in my mind. Full of girl and
So once you press that, it's like a start video.
Sing Labu.
Always look the other way.
And that the song say, you know.
What is that?
The song say. The song.
Right then.
Your Kiashi goodie.
No.
So you know come at your workplace, go and vlog lab lab. Show them we got vibes. So this is Labu, guys.
Don't know. Pass it.
Welcome back to the channel.
So it's Friday, the last day of the work week, the last day of the week, and to be honest. Like, I don't know if we get enough footage throughout the week, but I guess as we continue to do this and as we progress, I guess the weekly vlogs are gonna get better.
What's my key? So may I get food? What's my key there? Yo, Bobby. Bobby. Yeah, I have to remember.
Food in there because them not too small.
Flour.
I'll just put my food in there later. I don't want to keep it in there.
Normally I edit on Saturday, so I'm probably going to be editing this video a little bit later today.
Girl, I have a date. And I just mean I can't stay late. Greetings, sheep. You have patty? No patty? They sell hot dog now, though. How much is sugar dog? Let me see bread. How much is raisin dog? I know. I have $20. Try bun and cheese. Give me hot dog, yeah. Cheese bread, how much? Cheese bread, yeah. 120, you say? So some photo shoot business that going on here, so. Yes, it was a pretty average week, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you know. I'm so glad to share part of my life with you guys through this medium. Yeah, if you're new to the channel and you liked the video, you could consider subscribing. For those who have already subscribed, the people who always support me, thanks for the support. Subscribe, share, tell a friend, go watch the previous videos. But man, answer that kill me on that tree. No man, answer that kill me. So I'm gonna edit this video now. I'll see you guys in the next one.